So for today's video, this the day of my birthday. Yeah. Actually, my birthday is April 29, but we celebrate it earlier kasi nga may trabaho mga kaibigan ko. So it's a weekend last April 26, so doon namin sinelebrate yun sa Fujairah. So actually, si Kitty Pie, she ordered a Samsung, but I don't know, may surprise pala siya sa akin na iWatch Response. Ito guys, hindi ko na unboxing dito sa YouTube. Pero mayroon akong parang short video for years. So ito yun guys, na iWatch Response. Si Kitty Pie, I expect na si Kitty Pie lang talaga ang mayroong bagong watch kasi nga naiwan yung relo niya doon sa hotel. So let's do unboxing for this. Yeah, it's a Samsung. What's this, Kitty Pie? Ultra?
Samsung Watch Ultra.
Yeah. New series? Oh, so this is new. What's this? Release? How to open this one? Yeah. So guys, so let's do unboxing first. So ito ang guys. Ayan. Kaya na unboxing. Kasi si Kitty Pie pa surprise. Pero makikita nyo din yun sa short video. Kasi naka-upload siya guys for short video. So look at this guys. Kasi si Kitty Pie guys, hindi talaga yan siya Apple lover. He's honest for what's this? Android. I don't know why. Dahil daw ang Apple is so very costly. Same lang naman ang price actually. Kaso nga lang, walang mga free ang mga Apple. Walang free na mga apps, right, Kitty Pie? All is, you need to pay, Apple Pay.
Apple Watch only work with that, but this watch work with all the Android phones.
Si guys, look. Pero yung iPhone 14 ko guys actually, na Pro Max. Di ba nag-change ako ng cellphone? Yeah, this is the charging. So where's what's this? Hindi niya ginamit. Nandito lang sa bahay. So the strap is here or here? Yeah, so this is the strap guys. Actually, she like a gray color, right? So actually guys, yung relo ni Kitty Pie is almost 3 years na din. So medyo na din yun. Luma na. Pero kailangan pa din namin yung ipa-deliver dito kasi nandun sa phone. So chicken na natin. So ipaano natin ito guys, no? Ipakita namin sa inyo kung na ni Kitty Pie actually like this. So, this one, Kitty Pie?
That's totally different, no slide. It's processed.
Okay. So, you're the one who do it after. I will show after guys, yeah. Okay, so this is for Kitty Pie. Yeah, this is for my iWatch. Just open it for you. What happened? Is that what's this for your mobile? Yan o. Samsung Galaxy. She connected it to her mobile. His mobile. Oh my God. Welcome! Thank you again, Kitty Pie, for the surprise gift. Kawawa ang nag-deliver, guys. Alam nyo ba, guys, 9 o'clock na dito ng gabi. Pinadeliver pa talaga nito. Kasi guys, 8 o'clock here. I asking him why he will never greet me a happy birthday. Guys, bumili kami ng strap ng aking Apple Watch. Hermes! See guys, we buy this for Amazon as well. This is nice design actually. It's looking so serious. We will try. So this is the original straps guys actually. So tutok this one. So this is what's this. So sorry guys, hindi ko to na-unboxing, no? Kasi si Kitty Pie pa surprise si Kitty Pie. But check it in my short video how do I unboxing for this. And my excitement and my face and my style, everything. Ayan, yan pa here, see? So I will check this guys. I buy actually guys 2 straps. This is also nice guys actually. Actually, I want a Hermes this like this guys, but this times 2 with the price, right? This times 2. But at least it's nice. It's okay, Kitty Pie. Can you help me here? I will show you guys after. This is the guys. It's so nice. Yeah! A little bit stuff to wear, but it's good. So it's a Hermes. I don't know if this is the correct way actually, but I think this is it. Is that? It's the one guys. It's so cute. Wow! It's magnetic. See the design? So cute the design. It's nice. It's a nice design, Kitty Pie. I like this. And for him, this is smartwatch band with some Galaxy Watch Ultra. See, you see?
Put like that.
It will not open. Yeah, it's cute, diba? Yeah, much better this one, Kitty Pie, actually, no? Oh, you watch Kitty Pie. So that's all, guys, and thank you for watching. We are enjoying wearing our new watch. Bye-bye.